Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from India to Turkey. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling business transactions, getting this right can save you time, money, and headaches. Let's break it down step by step. First off, understand the basics. You'll need to comply with regulations from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and Turkish banking laws. Most transfers require you to have proper documentation, like your PAN card, Aadhaar, and the recipient's details in Turkey. Now, let's talk options. The most common ways include using international money transfer services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, PayPal, or Western Union. Banks like HDFC or Assisi also offer this service, but they might have higher fees. For example, with Wise, you can get better exchange rates and lower costs compared to traditional banks. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose your platform. Sign up on Wise or your preferred app, and verify your identity with your Indian bank details. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to send in Indian rupees, and it'll convert it to Turkish lira based on the current exchange rate. Step 3. Provide the recipient's information, like their bank account number and SWIFT code. Step 4. Review the fees and exchange rate. Always double-check to avoid surprises. Finally, confirm the transfer, and you're done. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. A few important tips. Keep an eye on exchange rates, as they fluctuate daily. Use tools like Z.com to compare. Also, factor in transfer fees, which can range from 0.5% to 5% depending on the method. Security is key. So use reputable services and never share sensitive info over unsecured channels. If you're sending large amounts, you might need additional approvals from Indian authorities. There you have it. Sending money from India to Turkey doesn't have to be complicated. Always do your research and choose what's best for your situation. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.